Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing the cleaning of the Haas 6437 Y strainer on the 1200 series electric water cooler. The following instructions remain the same for all non-filtered 1200 series models. Required tools will include a stubby Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Begin by removing the cooler skirt. This can be done by removing the 4 screws on the bottom of the skirt using the stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Now that the cooler skirt has been removed, turn off the water by rotating the water stop clockwise. Be cautious for the next step, as the unit is still powered on at this point. Dispense water briefly to relieve the pressure inside the water line. Shut off the electrical power by now unplugging the electrical cord. Ensure that the lights underneath the bowl, as well as the backlit display and the bottle filler light, are off before continuing. This does not apply on the 1201S or 1202S models that lack a bottle filler and or a filter. You will have to ensure the power is off manually on these models. The Y strainer is located on the left side of the cooler just behind the skirt. Remove the end cap using the adjustable wrench to gain access to the removable mesh screen within. After a few turns from the adjustable wrench, the end cap can be removed by hand. After removing the mesh screen, gently rinse the screen under running water to remove any potential debris. Once finished, replace the end of the mesh screen into the end cap and insert the assembly into the valve body. You can now use the adjustable wrench to tighten the end cap until it bottoms out. Be cautious not to over-tighten. Follow this by now turning the water stop counterclockwise, supplying the unit with water, and plugging the unit back in, returning power. You'll want to check that the power has been restored by checking the LEDs underneath the bowl, the bottle filler and the backlit display, or manually if your unit does not have these features. Activate the water at each bubbler head, at first covering it with a cup to control any air that may have gotten trapped during the cleaning of the Y strainer. The air will purge itself and flow will normalize in a few seconds. Check for leaks at the Y strainer before replacing the fountain skirt. Being careful to slide the skirt carefully underneath the ledge of the black plastic near the top of the fountain skirt during reinstallation. Once this is done, replace the 4 screws on the bottom to secure it into place. At this point, you have successfully cleaned the 6437 Y strainer assembly. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service team at 1-800-766-5612.